In this video I'm going to take a look at using the hot glue gun. I'm going to use it to attach a clothes peg to the back of the project and attach it to the build holder. So to start off with, it's important to have everything just on the ready. The glue gun takes a little while to heat up, so you can get yourself organised and placing the peg here in the correct position. I'm going to lift it and apply a layer of glue just to the surface of that there. I take it back and press down on the area that I want to attach the peg to. Just apply a little bit of pressure to squeeze out any excess glue and make sure there's a snug fit. It only takes about 40 seconds or so for that there to be fully secured. So then we want to place it here, and I'm going to position it here, and it's fairly obvious that's kind of low down, so where we want to have it is somewhere nice and evenly spaced, not too far left or right, and kind of just a general location of where we want to place this now. So I lift it now and it leaves my hands free away from the peg, and I apply another layer of glue to the surface. Be generous with the glue. It's not the strongest of glues in the world, but it'll do this job perfectly. And again, same story, apply the pressure to the peg, squeezing out any excess glue, and it only takes a few seconds for that to work. And that's pretty much it. If the glue runs out, there's pegs or sticks for the glue, and you can see one here, it's applied, it's pushed in. Obviously it's not ready to be placed in here yet, and by squeezing the trigger the glue is going to run out of it. The top is hot, so make sure it doesn't touch any leads, and it doesn't touch yourself either. That's pretty much the hot glue gun.